mystery art box is still here and no one knows what is going to happen. So stay tuned for that. Hey guys, it's me, ILVA Crafts, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be awesome because I am realizing the second episode of What's in the Mystery Art Box challenge. If you want more information about our new episodes, check out this playlist right here so you will understand how the challenge works. This challenge includes a lot of drawing, crafting, and challenges, so I'm so excited to see what's in the mystery art box today. If you're excited for today's episode, make sure to subscribe, turn on the post notifications so you will be notified every time I post a new video, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to follow me at my Instagram at ilva.crafts. If you're ready, let's get started. Now it is the moment that all of us have been waiting for. It's the moment to open the mystery art box for the second time. I am so excited to open the mystery art box and do everything that is inside it. Let's open it. Alright guys, here's the mystery art box and I'm so happy to open it for the second time. Let's do it together. Oh my god, there is a note inside the mystery art box, but there are also some supplies. First of all, let's read the note. Hello again, it's me, the mystery art box. Today, you have to draw your own character using this challenge that I've created. Have fun, mystery art box. So, what mystery art box is saying is that there is a challenge inside here, and I think that these supplies are going to help us complete the challenge. I am actually so excited to find out what the challenge about. Let's do it. So, first of all, inside the mystery art box is this small dice. I'm actually confused, but I'm really excited to find out for what are we going to use it. We also have a black marker inside the mystery art box, and I think that this challenge includes a drawing because we also have a pencil and some colored pencils. I think that this drawing is going to turn out very interesting because we also have a dice. So yeah, I see some hairstyles right here, but first of all, I'm going to take out all these papers and read them together. So we have this one that includes 6 different hairstyles. We have accessories, we have hair colors, eye color, we have tops, bottoms, and last but not least, shoes. So we have to roll the dice and pick each item that we got from that number. If we roll 6, then we have to get the 6th item. I am so excited to do this, and it's basically creating a mystery character, and I highly recommend it because it's a perfect activity for your free time because it's also very creative and fun to do. So I'm so excited, and let's get started. First of all, I'm going to take one by one all the letters, roll the dice, and pick the items. Alright guys, now I'm going to roll the dice and pick the items. The first item is the hairstyle. We got number 2, which means that the hairstyle is this one. Now I'm going to move on with all the others. Now that I picked all the items, I'm still a little bit confused because some of them doesn't go together at all. But now I'm going to take the pencil and draw the character. All we need is a piece of paper, a black marker, a pencil, and some colored pencils. Let's get started with the drawing. Alright guys, first of all, I always start with the hairstyle, so the hairstyle that I picked is this one. Let's get started. For the top, I picked the crop top. Now let's draw it. Now I'm going to draw the leggings. For the shoes, I got the sandals. Let's draw it. Let's start drawing her face. I got the necklace from the accessories. Let's draw it. I decided to go for a pearl necklace and a choker. Now that I'm done with the pencil, I'm going to use the black marker to do the outlines, but you should be very careful because if you do mistakes with the marker, then there's no going back. I just finished with the drawing and it's time to use the black marker to do the outlines because it pops it out more. I'm going to clean all the pencil lines with an eraser. Now my favorite part is coloring. I'm going to use the colored pencils to color my character. The character is done. All I have to do is to color it up. First of all, I'm going to start with the hair color and the eye color. For the eyes, I got brown, and for the hair, I got red. Let's color it up. Alright guys, I'm finished and I'm very happy with the result. As you can see, my character has red hair, brown eyes, a crop top, leggings, sandals, and a necklace. I'm just so happy with the items that I got, and I just got very creative combining them with each other. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video and I hope that I inspired you to create a mystery character using a challenge which is very easy to create and it doesn't require a lot of supplies. I'm so excited for the next episode because the mystery box is full of surprises. All you have to do is to comment down below how your character turned out. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at ilva.crafts and send me your creations there because in the next video they will be part of it. This is the end of today's episode. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more future videos. I have anything else to say, just bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, crafts!